So before I talk about this video, I want to introduce myself. My name is Fahmi Hidayat, and as you can see, I am a man. And on this video, I'm offering you a book that suit for teacher or student, educational student. If you are student English education or future teacher, I think it may be suit for you as educator who seek to deepen your understanding of language teaching into this deeper and global world. Then, before I give you the title, but I want you to guess. So I give some clues, like this book, of course, talk about the teacher, and this book not only talk about the teacher but also how teacher teach, like that. So and if you guess this book talk about the fourth skill English, it's not, because this book this book explore the English language teaching. So, and the title, of course, is Exploring English Language Teaching, Language in Action, written by Graham Hall. Graham Hall explore through this book not as a fixed techniques, but as a consistent evolving practice shaped by global trends, local classroom realities, and learner diversity. The book is divided into four major parts. Firstly is classroom interaction and management. Secondly is method, post-method, and methodology. Third is the learners, and fourth is intellectual framework society. Through these keys for major, we can now what the book teach for us. It provides both provides theoretical insight and practical reflection, making it ideal for those who want to think deeply about how English is taught today and how it could be taught better. Okay, and first chapter is English language teaching in the world today. This chapter sets the stage by exploring how globalization has influenced English language teaching. Wow, globalization has influenced English language teaching. English is now a global language, of course, but who owns it? Nothing. What kind of English should we teach? Or British America or something else? The reader consider how cultural identity, national and local values shape our classroom. And several chapter like developing language skill. This chapter is practical chapter that address how teach the four main language skill like speaking, listening, reading, and writing. And the writer emphasized the use of authentic material, interactive activities, and text-based learning to support skill development. Also this book have several strengths like comprehensive and well structured. The book covers everything from methodology to real classroom issues. Whether you are writing a paper or preparing your first teaching job, this book support you. So you have to read this book because it support you to write a paper preparing your first job as a teacher. And the second is reflective, not perspective. Reflective. It doesn't give you do the list, but it push you to ask what works best in my context. As a teacher, I have to do this, but no, but I ask to myself like, what should I do to manage my pupils in a classroom like that? This is what makes it powerful for teacher growth. So we have to match in a classroom because different classroom have different case. The third is addresses current issues. Addresses from the politics of English to the challenges of standardization. It brings up topic that really matter in 20th century education. So we not only uh, teach uh, like traditional teaching, but we have to match in our generalization, like in our in this era. But on the other hand, this book have the two weakness. Firstly is academic style, of course, because it's for teacher and language educator. So the book language is formal and dense, which may intimidate beginners or non-native readers. So you have to adding your vocabulary first before you read this book because it's complex. And secondly, or the last, is few classroom example. If you are looking for ready-made lesson plans or practical activity, you will not find many classroom example case in this app because this book asks you to create your critical thinking and match your cases in your classroom itself. So why is this book worth your time? Because teaching is no longer about repeating grammar drill or just following the text. So today's teacher must understand how language interact with identity, culture, politics, and society. They must know how to handle diverse learners' needs and diverse learner style, design meaningful learning experience, and navigate both local challenges and global expectations. This book also helps you become the kind of teacher. It gives you the tools to ask the right question, to reflect on your choices, and to teach with confidence, not just by the book, but by the needs of your learners. Not just by the book, but by the needs of your learners. So you have to match based on your student needs. Maybe it can help you in maintain your classroom. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can get the insightful of this video. Thank you.